Well, I just want to let everyone know how excited I am to be part of this community in Rolling Meadows. Teriyaki Man is an incredible concept. We're having a lot of fun in the first week of opening. Been in the restaurant business a long time, and this is probably one of the best teams I've ever built, and I'm really excited to be part of it. Come on down. I recommend spicy chicken, my favorite, with veggies and brown rice. So we look forward to seeing everybody, and again, being part of this community.